Alright guys, welcome back to part 2 of the dashboard rebuild, and today with the help of my beautiful wife we're going to wrap it. Right, so I think we just need to move it and wipe it down with that. Right, so I've decided to do a voiceover on this because, as you can see, I'm wrapping the dashboard in my dining room and I've got kids and they just keep walking through and talking and everything. So, this is the voiceover. As you can see, wife's helping me. She wouldn't really want to be on camera, but she is. Well, her hands are. So we're wrapping it at this stage, just starting. It seems to be going on okay actually. It's quite a nice materials, they're only 10 quid from eBay. In fact, I think it was like 8 quid. Yeah, so I'm going to show it on time lapse now. Watch most of it because it's quite a long video, it took me a while to wrap. But it looks good, so let's show it on time lapse.
Some days there's no one else who loves me like you used to. Some days I'm not myself, there's no one I can turn to. All the feelings that we shared are in the past. Your relationships are never meant to last. All the feelings that we shared are in the past. Your
Right guys, before I show you the finished result on the wrapping of the dashboard, I've been to Minisport, so I'm going to include that footage, and I got just some stuff for the engine really, bits I don't particularly need yet, but sale were on, so I thought, sod it, let's buy some. So I've got new chrome rocker cover. It's pretty cool, nice. Obviously, new cork gasket, new windscreen wipers, I just bought the kit that you get that comes with, seems to come with everything to be honest with you. Comes with all the washers and the jets and blanking fittings and things as well. I think it was about, I don't know, 32 quid or something. So I bought that. And then to go with the rocker cover, some new T-bar fixings. And the washer kit for fixing it down. And the chrome oil cap. So I think that's going to look pretty cool. Well, I think so anyway. Make a difference when the engine's red as well. And I'm going to get some, I've seen a car on the other day on Instagram, and it had a red engine, blue HT leads and blue, I think the mini spares, coolant hoses and things, and it looked ace. So I think I'm going to go down the red and blue route. I think it'll look pretty cool. I'll show you the dashboard. It's not perfect, but it looks a lot better, and it was broken. Now these are still loose, but you get the idea. Looks good I think. That's just where I've picked it up, I think. Yeah. So there you go guys. Save the dashboard. Right guys, thanks for watching that update. In the next video we're going to be back on the front end, so the actual clubman's going to be in the videos, not just a dashboard. So hang in there. Thanks for the new subscribers. If you are new, I'm John and this is Bert. He's my 1975 miniclubman estate. Love him, it's friggin' awesome. So yeah, next video.